learners, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So students, again this is Archana, your science teacher. So welcome back to a science class, and from today onwards we start our revision classes. This video is also a revision video of block 1 and block 2. Clear? And in this video we summarize all the topics of each block. Then we discuss our PQs. One more thing, you have to do all the PQs in a separate notebook. Clear? So let's start our today's class from block 1, that is sources of food. In this block we study about the sources of food, what are the part of plant that we eat, and besides plants, animals are also sources of food. Then we discuss about food habits of animals. Then we discuss why we need to produce more food. Clear? So students, as you all know that food provides energy and it is very essential part of our life. Clear? And what about ingredients? Ingredients are those food substances or spices that is used to prepare or cook a meal. And if we are talking about India, as you all know that India is a country of diversity. There is a diversity of culture, there is a diversity of food, there is a diversity of dresses. Clear? And जैसे ही आप हरियाणा में जाते हो और अगर आप पंजाब में जाओगे हरियाणा से, तो वहाँ पे अलग फूड खाया जाता है. हरियाणा में डिफरेंट फूड खाया जाता है. क्लियर? And around 2000 variety of plant are grown all around the world specifically for food. Clear? हमारे आसपास बहुत सारे फूड आइटम्स आपको मिलेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल, पल्सेस, सीरियल, स्पाइसेस, वेजिटेबल ऑयल, बेवरेजेस, ये ऑल आर गेटेड फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. क्लियर? We get different ingredients from different parts of plant. We eat flower, fruit, roots, leaves and stem. You see, there is a table in your content book. This table include part of plant and the examples of plant part that we eat. I also draw this table. You see that we eat root, for example radish and carrot, these are the roots. We eat stem, examples of stem are sugarcane, potato. We eat leaves also, that is spinach and tea. We eat flowers, that is broccoli and cauliflower, and these are the different parts of plant, fruit, seed and spices, and these are the examples. Clear? Sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds are very important for our health as they are rich in important nutrients, especially प्रोटीन. क्लियर? स्प्राउटेड सीड्स जो है ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं हमारे हेल्थ के लिए. क्यों? बिकॉज इसके अंदर बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं. स्पेशली कौन सा मिलता है? प्रोटीन, जो हमारी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्लियर? नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइज कि ये जो प्लांट पार्ट्स हैं या जो ये प्लांट्स हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सीरियल्स हैं, पल्सेस, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल, हु ग्रोज? ठीक है, इनको कौन ग्रो करता है? सो फार्मर्स ग्रो ऑल द प्लांट्स ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल. क्लियर? अब वो कैसे ग्रो करता है इन चीजों को? सो फार्मर्स यूज गुड क्वालिटी सीड्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स, फर्टिलाइजर्स, डिफरेंट इरिगेशन मेथड और मशीन्स टू ग्रो मोर एंड मोर क्रॉप्स. अंडरस्टैंड? सो ये तो बातें थी किसकी? सोर्सेज ऑफ प्लांट्स की. नाउ वी ऑल्सो गेट फूड फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. क्लियर? अब एनिमल से कौन से फूड हमें मिलते हैं? So food items we get by animals are meat, milk, eggs and honey. Clear? We use milk products or dairy products such as paneer, cheese, yogurt, buttermilk, cream and sweets. Understand? आपको बोला जाता है कि आपको मिल्क पीना चाहिए. अब क्यों पीना चाहिए मिल्क? Why milk is a complete food and what does milk contain? मिल्क के अंदर ऐसी क्या चीज है कि हम लोगों को मिल्क पीना चाहिए और मिल्क को हम complete food कहते हैं. So milk is a complete food as it have all the essential nutrients, clear, which a human need. For example, protein, sugar, vitamins and minerals also. And we get milk from goat, buffaloes and cows. We also get eggs from chicken and ducks. We get meat from fish, goat and hen. And we get honey from honeybees. So these are the animal food which we get from the animals. Clear? Now honey. How we get honey? And honey is called very nutritious. Why it is called so nutritious? Honey is called, or you can say that it is a nutritious part as it is a rich source of carbohydrates and sugar. Clear? हनी के अंदर बहुत सारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और शुगर्स मिलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्लूकोज, लैक्टोज, सुक्रोज एंड वाटर एंड मिनरल्स ऑल्सो. दैट्स वाई इट इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रिशियस. क्लियर? एंड हाउ इज हनी मेड ऑन ए लार्ज स्केल, कैसे हम हनी को बनाते हैं लार्ज स्केल पे. सो हनी इज grown in large scale in honey farms. Honey bees are reared, then they make a honey. Clear? One more thing, honey enhances the immunity of our body. Clear? Immunity क्या करती है? Immunity जो हमारी हेल्प करती है वो क्या करती है, डिजीज से फाइट करती है, सो दैट हम लोग बीमार पड़ जाते तो इजीली हम लोग ठीक हो सके. हमारा जो इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम है हमारी बॉडी का उसको वो स्ट्रॉन्ग करती है. क्लियर? और हनी भी कैसे हनी बनाती है, दे कलेक्ट नेक्टर फ्रॉम फ्लावर्स. ठीक है, वो नेक्टर से क्या करती है, नेक्टर कलेक्ट करती है फ्लावर से. कैसे कलेक्ट करती हैं, दे हैव लॉन्ग टंग्स विच इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रॉ. दे सक द नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर एंड कन्वर्ट द नेक्टर इनटू हनी, एंड हनी इज स्टोर्ड इन देयर hives. Clear? Now the question arises that how do we get eggs, meat, fish, chicken and milk on a large scale? ठीक है, हनी तो हमें पता चल गया कि हनी कैसे हमें लार्ज स्केल पे मिल सकता है, लेकिन हाउ डू वी गेट एग्स एंड मीट, फिश, चिकन एंड मिल्क ऑल्सो ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल? सो थ्रू एनिमल फार्मिंग वी गेट दीज थिंग्स ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल as large number of animals they are reared on farms which provide good quality of food, health facilities. Then we get all the essential things that, for example, eggs, meat, fish, chicken and milk on a large scale. Clear? So this is all about the topic of food from animals. Then we discuss about food habits of animal. What are the food habits of animal? Clear? As you all know that humans obtain food from both plant and animals, and we categorize food habits of animals into different parts such as carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, decomposers and herbivores. So herbivores are those animals that eat only plants. For example, rabbits and grasshopper जो सिर्फ घास खाते हैं, that is known as herbivores. And herbivores के कैसे teeth होते हैं? They have flat teeth. Clear? And carnivores are those animals that eat only other animals. For example, lion, hawks and toads. Clear? And they have long, sharp and pointed teeth. And if you are talking about omnivores, omnivores have that eat both plants and animals. For example, mouse and sparrow जो दोनों ही चीजें खाते हैं, they have the combination of sharp and flat teeth. Clear? And if you are talking about scavengers, scavengers are those animals that eat only dead animals. For example, vulture and jackals. And if we talking about decomposers, they are those organisms that eat dead animals as well as dead plants. ये दोनों ही खाते हैं, plants भी और animals ही जो dead हैं. Example, bacteria, worms and fungi. Clear? और scavengers and decomposers ये बहुत ज़्यादा important होते हैं as they decompose dead animals and plants and return the nutrients to the soil. They increase the fertility of the soil. Clear? And next thing is why we need to produce more food. As you all know that large number of population is increasing day by day. जितनी ज़्यादा population होगी उतनी ही उनको food की ज़रूरत होगी. Clear? That's why we need to produce more food. And government कैसे help करती है? Government also help the farmer to produce more and more food. They provide various supply of seeds, farming equipments and tools, fertilizers, pesticides और on subsidized rate. Subsidized का मतलब होता है lower rates के ऊपर. Clear? They also educate farmers on effective farming practices. And farmers are also provided with insurance in case of crop failure due to drought or floods. अगर कभी नुकसान हो जाता है तो गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है, वो फार्मर्स को कंपनसेशन देती है. कंपनसेशन का मतलब क्या है, जो भी उनको नुकसान हुआ है उसकी वो मदद कर देती है उसके बदले में. क्लियर? So students, this is all about of this block. Now we discuss our PQs. So the first question of our PQ is, the two plants whose stem we eat are sugarcane and onion. Clear? We eat sugarcane and onion. Now the second question, you have to list the parts of the plant that are sources of food and give two examples of food that we eat from them. So you have to make a list of plant part as I show you. Wait a minute, as I show you this. So you have to make this list, which is also given in your content book on page number 10. This list. Clear? Then why are sprouted seeds good to eat? So sprouted seeds are good to eat as they are rich in important nutrients, especially protein, and it is also good for our health. Clear? They provide energy to do work. And question number 4, you have to write that which food items is from an animal. So honey is food item which is obtained or we get from animals. Clear? And in the 5th question, you have to list any 5 food that contains milk. So you have to write any food items, for example, cheese, curd, buttermilk, butter and ghee. Clear? And in the 6th question, you have to explain why honey is nutritious. So as I told you that honey is nutritious as it contains all different kinds of carbohydrates and sugars that increases our immunity system of the body to fight against diseases. Clear? It is rich source of carbohydrates and sugars like glucose, lactose and sucrose, and it enhance का मतलब होता है increase करना. It enhance the immunity system of our body. Clear? And in the 7th question, you have to write that monkeys eat both plants and animals. Monkeys are dash. So monkeys are omnivores. Because they eat both plants and animals. So they are omnivores. And in the 8th question, you have to classify animals into 3 groups based on their food eating habits. Provide 2 examples for each group. So the 3 groups of animals based upon their food habits are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Clear? Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores like deer and elephant, they eat only plants. Carnivores like lion and tiger eat only animals. Omnivores like monkeys and bear, they eat both plants and animals. Clear? And in the 9th question, you have to write that why do carnivores have long pointy canines? Carnivores के long pointy canines क्यों होते हैं? So as carnivores eat other animals, so they have a long and pointed teeth. They are called canines. These teeth help them to tear and flesh easily. ठीक है, carnivores animals को खाते हैं, इसलिए उनके canines होते हैं so that they can tear the flesh easily. Understand? And in the last question of this PQs, the skull of an animal was uncovered during an excavation. The animal had sharp teeth in the front and flat teeth at the back. Which food types did the animal most likely eat when it was alive? Clear? So the animal had sharp teeth in the front and flat teeth at the back. अब इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि एनिमल की कैसे sharp teeth तो है उसके फ्रंट में और flat teeth है उसके बैक में. So sharp teeth have to tear the flesh, flat teeth have to grind the plants easily. So the animal must be eating both plants and animals. So the animal is a omnivore. Animal कौन सा हुआ यहाँ पे? Omnivore हुआ. Clear? So students, this is all about of this block. I also share PDF also of the answers of these PQs, so you can take the help of that also. Clear?